Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running TikTok ads and you've had your account banned, restricted, or even suspended, you know how frustrating it is. And if you haven't been banned yet, trust me, you don't want to go through that pain. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple tricks you can use to stop getting banned on TikTok ads. If your account is already suspended, or if you just want guaranteed help setting up safe verified TikTok ad accounts, contact us on WhatsApp right now. That's the fastest way to get your issues solved. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment, so don't waste time. All right, let's get into the tricks. Trick number 1, use clean payment methods. This one is huge. Most advertisers don't realize how advanced TikTok's detection system is. If you use the same credit card that was ever linked to another account, especially if that account got suspended, TikTok knows. Their system tracks your card number, billing address, even sometimes the device you used. So what happens? Your brand new account gets flagged instantly, sometimes within hours. That's why using a fresh, clean payment method is so important. New card, new billing details, new everything. If you're not sure what counts as safe, or if you're struggling to set up clean payment methods, don't take risks. Contact us on WhatsApp and we'll guide you through it. We've already helped countless advertisers who had no idea why TikTok kept banning them. Most of the time, it comes down to payment details. Trick number 2, only use TikTok's commercial music library. This one catches people all the time. You see a trending sound on TikTok, you think, great, I'll use that in my ad. The problem is, just because it's available for personal use doesn't mean it's legal for commercial ads. TikTok ads has strict copyright rules. If the song isn't in TikTok's commercial music library, using it in your ad can cause your ad to be disapproved, or even worse, get your account suspended. So always double check your audio. The commercial music library is free, it's easy to use, and it keeps your account safe. And again, if you're confused about whether your creatives are compliant or not, just shoot us a message on WhatsApp. We can check them for you and make sure everything's good to go before you even launch a campaign. That's way better than risking a ban. Trick number 3, fix your landing page experience. This one might sound technical, but it's actually pretty simple. TikTok wants to protect users. So if your landing page is slow, full of pop-ups, or looks scammy, TikTok will punish you. For example, if your site doesn't load properly on mobile, you're already at risk. If you don't have a privacy policy or terms and conditions page, TikTok can suspend your account. And here's a big one. If you change your landing page after TikTok reviews and approves your ad, they'll see that as suspicious behavior. That alone can get your account banned. So what's the solution? Make sure your landing page is fast, professional, and compliant with the basics. Include your privacy and return policy pages if you're selling products. And don't make sudden changes right after ad approval. If you don't know how to set up a safe landing page, or you just want someone to double check it for you, contact us on WhatsApp. We'll make sure your landing page passes TikTok's checks so you don't lose your account over something small. Trick number 4, don't reuse banned info. This is probably the number 1 mistake I see. People lose an account and then they go create a new one, but they reuse the same email, the same phone number, the same domain name, or even the same ad creative. Guess what? TikTok connects the dots. Their system is designed to link accounts together. If they see you reusing banned info, they don't just suspend your new account. They sometimes make it impossible for you to open another one in the future. That's how strict they are. So here's the golden rule. Every new account is a fresh start. New email, new card, new domain, new assets. Everything should look brand new. That's how you keep your account safe. And of course, if this feels like too much hassle, or you just want a guaranteed safe account, don't overthink it. Reach out to us on WhatsApp. We can help you either fix your suspended account or set you up with a clean, ready-to-run account that avoids all these problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.